Honey, I'm starting a trial today. Ken Hollister's stepping down. Don't you want me to be the next DA?
Dave, you never make these things.
All right, I'll take him. Look, you know what? Let me say, once I get through all this stuff, why don't I take you to Oahu?
You know that way that you always say Oahu and you think it's so cute? It really just reminds me of how many times you've canceled that trip.
What?
What happened to my husband?
Let's not exaggerate the situation.
Dave! You were bitten tonight by a stray dog and the kids took the dog's side. What does that tell you? You don't know what's going on with your own children? You don't know what's going on with me? When was the last time you even said I love you?
I love you.
That doesn't count.
Rebecca, wait a minute. Rebecca, stop. Stop for a second. Please, look. That didn't come out right. Turn around. Look. Sit down. Sit down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why am I running on all fours? Thank you. Man, am I flying. Why'd I ever run on two? This is weird. What's hitting me in the face? What is that? That's my tongue. I can taste my own eyeball.
Hi there. Hoping you can help us. Our dog wandered off.
Yeah, it just seems that way.
Very down to earth.
Who let the dogs out? 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 When the party was spiced, the party was pumping. Pumping up on. Until the fellas started name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout out. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? I see the young people had a ball to you Billy Fountains get out. Get back your feet, bash your feet. Get back you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I man no get angry. Two 80 cars calling them K9. Hey! But they tell me, hey man, start up the party.
Now this is why I come here.
Toning up all day long just for me. That's why they call them trophy wives.
Keep going.
What? Why are you looking at me like that?
You're pretty darn good at this.
Hey, let's order some pizza. Mom and Dad are out to dinner.
Oahu. I love you.
I love you too. Just like I promised.